In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube video to Wix website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a YouTube video on your page, connect it properly, fine-tune the settings, preview it, and publish with confidence. Start by opening the Wix Editor. Log into your Wix account, head to My Sites, pick the site you want to work on, and click Edit Site. That opens the visual editor where you'll make all your changes. Give the editor a moment to load and take a quick look at your page layout so you know where the video should live. Next, add the video element. On the left side, click Add Elements, the plus icon. Choose Video and Music, then select Single Video Player. Drag the player onto your page and drop it where you want the video to appear. You can move it around freely, so don't worry about perfect placement yet. Aim for a spot near related content so it feels natural for visitors. Now connect the YouTube video. Click the video player on the canvas to bring up its settings, choose Change Video, then pick YouTube as the source. This tells Wix you're linking to a YouTube URL rather than uploading a file or using another platform. Grab the link from YouTube. Open the video on YouTube. Copy the URL from your browser or from the Share button and paste it into the Wix video settings. The player will automatically pull in the title, thumbnail, and playback. If the video is set to private or age restricted, it may not play on your site, so make sure it's viewable to your audience. Resize and position the player to fit your design. Drag the corners to adjust its size and align it with nearby elements. You can place the video on your home page for visibility, inside blog posts to support content, on tutorial pages for learning, or on landing pages to boost conversions. Keep spacing consistent and check that it doesn't crowd important text. Customize the video settings to match your goals. You can enable or disable autoplay, pick a play button style, show or hide video controls, and tweak layout and alignment. Remember that many browsers allow muted autoplay only, so consider keeping sound off for autoplay and letting viewers unmute. Preview your work. Click Preview to see how the video looks and plays on the page. Test the play button, sound, and full screen options, and switch to mobile view to confirm it fits smaller screens. When everything looks great, click Publish. Your changes go live, and your YouTube video will appear on your site for visitors to watch. That's it. Your video is now integrated and ready to engage your audience.